ọwa anya ukwu na ekworo bụ ihe mere ihe niile mere na East. Ọ bụrụ na esi like gọọmenti, ị ga-egbunu nwanne gị.
Governor Hope Uzodimma media aide, Cubana Chief Priest, is currently trending. Now, this is what happened. BBC Igbo granted Chief Priest interview. And in that interview, he highlighted about the insecurity happening in Southeast and also the reason why he relocated his business from Southeast to Lagos State. According to him, he said that jealousy and envy is one of the major things fueling the insecurity in Southeast. And the reason why he moved his business from Southeast to Lagos State is because the rich men are no longer coming to Southeast due to the insecurity. Because these rich men are now being targeted for assassination, kidnapping, and robbery. And because of that, most of them are now getting scared of coming to Southeast. And that's the reason why he moved his business down to Lagos State. He said a whole lot of things. I want you to watch the video and then you see things for yourself.
Ọwa anya ukwu na ekworo bụ ihe mere ihe niile mere na East. Ọ bụrụ na esi like gọọmenti, ị ga-egbunu nwanne gị na like gọọmenti. Ihe ị ga-emewu ichere ihe aka ka esi atọpụ gọọmenti. Time election ruo ga-ebịa bịapụ onye ahụ. Ọ wee bịa gị were nwanne gị bere ya isi si na like ya na ọ na-asọpọtụ gọọmenti, ga-esi na ọ na-asọpọtụ polisi. Ka ezi ka ị ga-esi egbu nwanne gị wee onye polisi, ka ezi ka ị ga-egbu nwanne gị wee onye amị. Obodo na-ewe polisi na onye amị ka onye ga-achịkọta ya. Ihe m ji bịawa Lagos ime biznes ọ na ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo na-atụzi ụjọ ịlọta ụlọ maka ọha lọtabu ụlọ na-eme biznes. Maka ndị nọ n'Owerri, ihe a na-aṅụchara nwa biya ha na obere mmanya ọkụ na obere mmanya champagne. Mana ndị abi Lagos na Abuja ha bata weekend ota ha akpọsa everywhere, ego abata na system m. Like agba Christmas keta ọwụ mgbe Christmas na-azụchi ike n'ụzụcha ahịa Christmas mgbagote. Ọ bụrụ moto ọfụrụ ngoro, ọ bụrụ biznes ọhụrụ ngoro, mana ọ bịaziri dị slow. And dịka ndị Igbo shikwuo, mbugharị ka eji ere mbe. Onye mere m ji kore akpa m palie si ka m bịakwa make sure na mbụ nri ma ha na-abịa eri n'Owerri bịakwutekwe ha na Lagos. Na-akọwakwara ha sị na enwekwa ihe mebiri emebi n'ụlọ adịkwala mma. Ndị omekome kwanụ na ndị ọjọọ na-eme ka ha wụrụ na ha ga-emebi Igbo. Ọ ndị iberibe ka ha wụ. Maka ile anya Igbo alaala azụ before ihe insecurity ebido. Ndị dịka Dr. Ned Okonkwo imoni ha, ị ga-ahụcha ụdịrị mansion ndị ha rụrụ n'obodo ha. So abịa nwee competition among ourselves. Onye ọbụla na-achọ ịla ụlọ ga-arụ maka Igbo na like ịma aka. We are inspirations to ourselves. So ihe ndị omekome mebiziri wụ ha bịaziri bịa mee ka a ghara ịhụ ọgaranya. Ahụ ọgaranya egbuo ya, asị ọwụ onye ọjọọ, asị so ome ndị ọgaranya agbalaga. Na o mere agụrụ adị n'obodo anyị, nnukwu agụrụ dị n'obodo. So ihe m na-eme appeal wụ ụmụnne anyị echefukwela ụlọ. Anyị aga agbara ndị ọjọọ ọsọ. Ndị ọjọọ wụ ndị ga-agbara anyị ọsọ na-azọ ịga ụkwụ. Ụmụnne anyị nọkwanụ n'ụlọ kwesịrị ilekọta ụlọ anya, maka ọwụ oke nọ n'ụlọ na-agwa nke nọ n'ama na azụ dị na ngịga. So ọwụ ndị nọ n'ụlọ, ụfọdụ ụmụnne wu ndị na-agba ụlọ nwanne ha ọkụ maka anya ukwu. Anyị ma na ụfọdụ ndị adịkwa mma dịka o sikwa dị ma n'ala bekee, mana ihe anyị ga-eji akọ na uche wee mee ọwụ ihe egbe na mma. Ndị ọjọọ unu sere aka na unu na-emebi obodo anyị. Ụmụ anyị ndị pere mpe ka ihe anyị nwere idewere ha. Ụmụ mụ na ha etolitele, mụ na ha na-alụ ụlọ. N'anya ha dịzi ka ha wụ ndị Lagos, ha marazi ebe ha si. Ihe anyị na-emebi. Anyị nwere our own culture and heritage, and we cannot project it from afar. Before n'obodo m onwe ihe a na-akpọ Ofeke Day on 1st of January, onwe ihe na-atọ ụtọ ka ya, mana ihe ndị a adịzi. Anyị niile ịgbakọta ọnụ sị mba na ka anyị wetekwe Southeast back, because ihe ọma dị na Southeast buru ibu. Imagine emewezie traditional marriage, eburu ya gaa na event center na Lagos, o eburu ya gawa Owerri. Ọ dịzinụ mma. Enwe burial, agali ozu ka onye ohi gbapụta bịa mee reception. Ihe awụ ụta isi ebi. bifo eburu ozu odogwu na-alọta a na-agba mkpọ n'ala na-agba egbe excitement adị ihe ndị anwụọla so we are gradually losing our own. Ka anyị laghachikwa nọ na ruutu anyị mezie obodo anyị n'obodo adịla mma na ihe mebiri emebi a ga-emezi ihe daigara na mmiri ụkwụ ka eji achọ ya. Anyị agbalakwala ọsọ maka ọsọ awụ ihe ga-ehepụ anyị, ọ ga-aghasa ya aghasa completely.
Now, this particular interview is causing a whole lot of argument on social media. Some people agree with Chief Priest, some disagree with him. But before I say what I want to say, I would like you guys to take a look at this video I'm about to show you now. After this video, then I will come back and say what is in my mind.
As a group, and on behalf of the youth of Igbo State, we donate an additional 20 million naira, making it 50 million. Thank you, His Excellency. God bless you. Your dreams, your beautiful dreams to pilot this state to greater heights will come to pass. Congratulations, the governor of Imo State and still the incoming governor of Imo State. God bless you.
His Excellency! His Excellency! Okay, merere. Ye foro fa gola ko. Suspend. On my birthday, I'm still in my middle 30s. There is a lot of time for Chief Priest. So much time, and we are not stopping. That's why we want people like you to take the corridors of power, to make it easy for us to finesse the society. We cannot do it alone. My governor, Senator Hope Uzodimma, is an inspiration to all of us. Elan the airport to where na babata we metaiga pagide nylon tag batano loge. Gesi na go keep so. Ega ko nylon tag the roll loge. Manotutu, manehi, na male ige just street light na. That's the inspiration we are talking about. DT Sholo, the same thing. That's all. So we have decided that we'll rally around you and make your dreams come true. Capital oil till today. So you need to our it's your time. I know
Only the truth will bring solution to every of our problem in this country. Now, we cannot deny the fact that there is insecurity in Southeast. Not only in Southeast, every region in this country is facing insecurity, including the Lagos State. If you ask people in Lagos, they will still tell you that Lagos State is not secured. Insecurity is everywhere. Forget about some particular portion of Lagos, maybe the Lekki. Even in that Lekki where the rich men are staying, they still move around with security men. That is to show that no place is secured in this country. Now, this same Cubana Chief Priest now that is saying this, I don't even know why BBC Igbo choose to interview Cubana Chief Priest. Of all the intelligent people we have in this region, it has to be Chief Priest that you guys selected. Now, this same Chief Priest now that is saying all these things now is an aide to Governor Hope Uzodimma. The Hope Uzodimma, we know how he became the governor of Imo State. 2019, after the election, Hope Uzodimma came out fourth in that election. Only God knows how APC government, Buhari and his group, only God knows how they chased away the person that came out first, second, and third. And they brought in someone that came out fourth as the governor. And that changed the history of Imo State. Imo State used to be one of the most peaceful states in this country. I still remember when guys, during the weekend, people moved from other states in this country just to come and chill in Imo State. That is to show you how peaceful Imo State was then. Now, immediately, Governor Hope Uzodimma became the governor of Imo State. Everything changed automatically. There is no day you don't hear of killings in Imo State. Even in Imo State, some villages now, you can go to some villages now, you will not see, even ordinary fowl, you will not see in that village because of insecurity. And all this things started immediately. Hope Uzodimma became the governor of Imo State. And this same Hope Uzodimma, after how bad his first tenure was, during his second tenure election last year, we know how this same chief priest, he even donated money to support his campaign. We know his role in making sure that Hope Uzodimma came back for second tenure. This is the same person now shouting about insecurity in Southeast. This same man now is also working, making everything possible to make sure that next election in Anambra State, that Ifeanyi Ubah wins the election. Ifeanyi Ubah is also an APC candidate. We all know what APC is doing in this country, but this same chief priest is one of their boys that they are using to work. Now, is this the same man now that is now talking about insecurity? After he's the one supporting those who are causing this insecurity. He knows their name, he knows them. Why not him go ahead and call their name? He knows the people who are causing this. Let's not forget about the presidential election. We all know how MC Oluomo with his boys threatened the Igbos in Lagos State. Now, not even months after the election, just few weeks after that election, this same chief priest was seen whining and dining with the same MC Oluomo and his boys. So where do we start counting from? When you see him talking now, you will think he has the interest of Igbos at heart. But everything about him is about money, 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 money. He don't care. Now, he's now here now, trying to demarcate Igbo land, as if it is only in Igbo land that they are facing insecurity. He's talking about hunger. If you go to the north, you will know that what is happening in Igbo land is even Genesis. the level of hunger in the north. And yet you cannot see any of them coming out on social media to talk about their region like in this way. Even in the south, even in the southwest, where he think is safe now, the amount of hunger and insecurity going on in those regions, you will not see any of them coming out to speak or talk about it. You can never see this same chief priest now coming out to even campaign for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. All the level of injustice going on in this southeast now, you will not see him talking about it. Let's continue to deceive ourselves. Even if we want to talk about insecurity happening in the southeast, Cubana chief priest is not the right person to talk about it. It's not. We all know that what is happening in southeast today is political. Southeast used to be the most peaceful region in this country. But boom, all of a sudden, APC came into power. Everything turned upside down. And this chief priest now is one of the boys that these politicians are using to carry out what you are seeing that is happening. You can never see him come out to condemn any of these politicians. And this is him now crying and talking about what is happening in the East, how they are killing the rich men, this and that. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. If we want to say the truth, let's say that truth without fear or favor. Or else we keep our mouth shut